Hello everyone, welcome to our visionary classes. So this will be the second lecture series on the CUET AVS stream. Okay, so here we will discuss about the part A that is coming in the CUET exam. Before I would like to start my lecture series, I would request you to subscribe our channel and contact us for the latest study material in this number, as well as you can join our online classes. Let's discuss. So what is this question telling? Okay, so before you know that there is a part A. Okay, there is a part A in CUET exams. Okay, that is having mathematical sections. Okay, so the previous year question that came in the EVS exam for the CUET 2019 is this. Okay, so let us start it. If given question, a 500-meter long good trains crosses a platform in 36 seconds. Okay, a 500 long goods train crosses a platform in 36 seconds. Okay, if the length of the platform is 220 meter, then what is the speed of the train in kilometer per hour? This is the question. So there is a basic concept. Okay, there is a basic concept you should know. Okay, let me draw a diagram so that you can understand it very well. So if there is a pole, okay, there is a pole and a train is a this much long. Okay, train is this much long. So if it crosses this pole, what does it means? It means that it will cover its own length completely. Okay, it will cover its own length completely. Okay, but if there is a platform, okay, and the train is here, okay, so it will cross the entire platform length as well as its own length. Okay, so this is the conditions you should know before answering these questions. Okay, so here it is given the train is crossing the platform. Okay, so the total distance that will be the distance that is of the platform as well as of the trains. Okay, so here we have the length of the train as 500 meter, so it will cross in a 36 second, while the length of the platform is 220 meter. So when a train crosses a platform, it will cover its own length as well as the platform length. So the total distance will be 720 meter. Okay, so the time to cross the platform is given 36 seconds. As we know, speed equal to distance by time formula, so we will use it and we will get 20 meter per second. But the question asks it should be in kilometer per hour, so you will convert it by multiplying 18 by 5. This is a shortcut you should remember. By multiplying 18 by 5 to meter per second, you will get 72 kilometer per hour. Okay, moving on to the next question. Okay, this question asks an amount of rupees 400 in 219 days at an interest of 5% will become. This is the question. Okay, so as we know, the formula for simple interest is P principal, R rate of interest, T time taken divided by 100. Okay, if you ask about the amount, it will be principal plus the SI. Okay, so there is a conversion formula for each term. For each term there is a conversion formula, so you should remember this formula before you answer such kind of question. Okay, so the amount is given 400 in the beginning. This is the first amount. Okay, time taken is 219 days. Okay, the interest is 5.5%. so the final amount will be 400, that is principal plus the SI. So in the SI we have 219 days for our what? For our time. Okay, so you will convert that 219 to years. Okay, because always rates are calculated in the form of year. So we have converted it into year by dividing 365 days. Okay, so now the answer you will get, this one, the total will be 13.2. Okay, 13.2. So this is my answer, that is 400 plus 13.2, that is 413.2. So this is the answer. This question tells us about the height of a cone is given 7 centimeter and the diameter of its base is 14 centimeter. What is the volume of the cone? So for this kind of question you should remember different volume, different areas of different kind of shape as well as different kind of structure. Okay, so given the height of the cone is 7 centimeter, the diameter of the base is 14 centimeter, and the volume of the cone, as we know, that is 1 by 3 pi r square h. So putting in the formula, we know that diameter is the half of the diameter is the twice of the radius. Okay, so radius will be half of the diameter. Okay, so here we will get 22 into 49 by 3. But you know, in order to make the calculation smaller, you should always use the distributive law. So you will convert this 49 into 50 minus 1 and it will give rise to 359.3 centimeter cube. So this is the answer. So now this question. At what rate of simple interest per annum will a sum of 1800 becomes 2700 in 10 years? This is the question. So again the formula, that new amount equal to principal plus SI. So you will use this formula. The sum is given 1800. Okay, the new amount is given 2700 and you will use the SI formula, that is PRT upon 100. So you will get R as a 5%. Okay, so R as a 5%. So this is the answer. Okay, now in this question, we have a train is traveling at a speed of 90 km per hour. What is the distance does it cover in 15 minutes? This is the question. Okay, as we know, the formula of speed equal to distance by time. So it is very simple question because the speed is given 90 km per hour. The distance we have to find and we have the time in the minutes form. So you will convert it into hour because our speed is given in hour. So it will give rise to 1 by 4 hour, that is 22.5 kilometer. Okay, that we will convert into meter as 22.5 into 1000. Okay, this will convert it into meter because 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. So this will be the answer. I hope you have got all the questions that is coming from the mathematical section for this USET for in the 2019 session. If you have some doubt, you can ask me. Have a nice day.